Hi, I'm Brooke. I currently work for the marketing department at NorthCountry Federal Credit Union, but prior to working here, I got in a little trouble with my credit score when I happened to take out a loan and not totally look at the terms and conditions of said loan. Being a young adult, managing finances can be really tough, especially if you didn't really have classes on it growing up, which I didn't. I wanted to fund my life, but I also wanted to fund having fun. A really attractive offer from an online loan company came my way and said, "Hey, do you need $5,000 right now?" And I said, "Hey, I could absolutely use $5,000 right now." They did a soft credit check on my credit, and then the next day I had the money in my account. However, I did not look at the terms and conditions of the interest. I chose the lowest payment option, not realizing that I was setting myself up to start drowning and just accumulating more and more debt. About a year and a half went by. I was, checking on how much money I still owed, and it was like I hadn't paid anything back because the interest was so bad, and they were just, all I was paying for was interest and not the initial amount that was lent to me. It was scary, it was stressful. I was constantly thinking about it. To try to pay it off, I was picking up gigs, Instacarting, doing DoorDash, really like spreading myself thin, working all the time, and still not getting any closer to paying off this debt. So I decided to move that debt to North Country, which gave me a way more reasonable interest rate. They explained everything, sat down and talked with me, made sure I understood what I was getting myself into, and I've significantly increased my credit score since then and my confidence, and I've also learned a lot about financial literacy.